Hello, little friends. Welcome to a world where friendship and environmental care intertwine in an exciting story. Get ready to embark on a journey full of magic, learning, and action, where you will discover how together we can protect and preserve our beloved home, planet Earth. Join me on this fascinating journey towards a greener and brighter future. Once upon a time, in an enchanted forest, there was a group of very special friends. There was Eco, the brave explorer who loved nature, Luna, the intelligent and curious owl, Saul, the sun-loving and fun bunny, and Agua, the mischievous yet friendly water droplet. Together, they lived in harmony, taking care of their home in the forest and enjoying the wonders around them. One day, while Echo and his friends were playing near the stream, they noticed something strange. The water was murky, and there was garbage floating in it. Concerned about the stream's health, Eco decided to investigate. With his backpack full of tools and his map in hand, he set out to discover what was happening. With Luna's help, who could see beyond from above, and Sol, who lit his way, Eco followed the course of the stream. Soon, they discovered that there was a factory next to the forest that was dumping waste into the water. What a disaster! Determined to solve the problem, the friends got to work. Eco spoke with the factory owner and explained the dangers of polluting the stream. Luna and Sol called upon the forest animals to clean up the garbage and restore balance. Agua, with her ability to transform, flowed through the stream, carrying messages of awareness to all the forest inhabitants. Soon, thanks to the joint efforts of Eco and his friends, the stream flowed crystal clear and pure again. From that day on, Eco and his friends became the guardians of the forest, always vigilant in protecting it from any threat. And although they faced challenges, they always remembered that together they could make the world a better place by caring for and respecting the environment. And so, with love, friendship, and commitment, they lived happily ever after in their magical forest. The end, little friends. To conclude this beautiful story, I leave you with this small but lovely moral. In unity and collaboration lies the power to protect and preserve our environment. Through friendship, teamwork, and commitment, we can face any challenge and restore harmony in nature. Each of us has the power to make a difference and care for our whole